I'm going to be showing you how to get trash can profile in Honkai Star Rail. So to unlock the trash can profile picture in Honkai Star Rail, you need to repeatedly interact with any trash can in Bellobog, which is in the administrative district or Boulder town. So what you need to do first is find a trash can. They're scattered throughout Bellobog, so one easy location is in the administrative district to the left of a building near the street, and you just need to keep interacting with it. When you click on the trash can, it will display dialogue trying to discourage you by saying it's just a trash can. Just don't give up, just keep clicking on it multiple times, and eventually you will receive the icon. And after the dialogue sequence ends, you'll unlock the trash can player icon that you can use to customize your profile. That's really how easy it is. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.